Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா NDDR metadata extraction from invoice image using Gemini எப்படி நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். First we have to install the model. So for that just run the command and here we have to set the passkey. If you don't know how to set the passkey, please watch my previous video. I have mentioned in the job description how to get the Gemini passkey. Okay, I just run. I have already set the key and here I am using the Gemini Pro Vision model. Okay, for uh, for importing the image I am using the PIL image. Here I am just loading the image. Here you can see, so this is the invoice. I just took this from Google. Okay, so here I'm going to ask a question like what is the price of laser mouse. So let's see what Gemini model returning. What is the price of laser mouse? Let's see what model going to return. So the actual price for laser mouse is $9,500. Okay, so let's see what model going to return. Model is running, just wait and see. So it's returning 9,950. Okay, 950. So it's just returning the 1 unit price. Let's ask the total amount. What is the total price of laser mouse? So I hope model going to return this amount, total amount, because here the quality is 10 quantity. So one quantity the amount is 950. For 10 quantity it becomes $9,500. Let's see. So here you can see model is returned as $9,500. Let me ask other question like what is the total price? What is the total price? I'm just giving the just total price. I hope we have to model needs to return this amount like $12,000 something. Let's see. Here you can see the total price of the invoice data is $12,512. So model is returning as exactly. Let me ask a discount. What's the discount amount? What is the discount price or amount? Discount amount. So model needs to return that as $300. Yeah, here you can see the discount amount is $300. So we can ask any question directly with image, whether it is it giving the accurate results.